Hello students, now today we are going to take a next part of carbonates compound chapter, that is homologous series. In the previous classes we have studied how to name those carbon compounds, like what are the prefix, what are the suffix. We have gone through the functional groups as well, okay, alcohol, aldehyde, what are their symbols, okay, how we will name them, whether they will be used as prefix or suffix. Now come to the next part. Listen carefully regarding homologous series, as there are 70 to 80% chances are there that the question will come from this topic in the exam, to identify whether the components are in homologous series or not. For homologous, first, homo means same, logos means same chain. So let's move further. Like these are the compounds. I told you to prepare at home. When I told you in the previous class, I told you how to name them as a prefix and suffix. So now we are having all in compound: methane, ethane, propane, butane, and pentane. Okay. CH4, C2S6, C3H8, C4S10, C5S12. The general, note down this thing, the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. When there will be Zoom class, I will let you know on the board, I will explain you on the board how general formula will get calculated. So, if you find alkane formula is CnH2n plus. N stands for the number of carbon. Okay. This is how, if any formula fits into this, then 100% it's alkane. First thing. Second, in this series you will find methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8. All the molecular formula of these components, if you will add CH2 to methane, it will become ethane. Then if you add CH2 in ethane, it will become propane. So what is happening? Basically there is a only difference between these compounds or alkanes, only CH2 is the difference. That's why when there is a difference, CH2 is the only difference between the compounds, then those alkanes are considered as in a homologous series. Difference would be CH2, one carbon and two hydrogen. This you can see in this table. First member of alkane series contains one carbon, second 2, third 3, fourth 4, fifth 5. But the difference is CH2. Keep this in your mind. I am repeating again and again. CH2. Difference is CH2. If there is any element and difference between them will be CH2, then they are the part of the homologous series, whether it is in ascending form or in a descending form. Now, alkene. Alkene, what I told you when I tell you how to write the formula. En prefix is eth and ene. That means double bond. So they all are double bonded compound. Its general formula is, note down, its general formula is CnH2n. N stands for number of carbon. If the number of carbon is 2, then number of hydrogen will be 2 2s are 4. So C2H4 आ गया ethene, propene C3H6, butene C4H8, pentene C5H10, hexene C6H12. Note one thing more. In these alkenes there is also a difference of CH2. The difference is CH2. So these all alkenes all are also a homologous series. Getting my point? It can be in a ascending form, it can be in a descending form as well. Okay, what will happen if we attach any functional group into it? Like in ethene we attach alcohol. So alcohol, do you remember in the previous class I told you alcohol, whether it is a suffix or a prefix? It's suffix, it's not prefix. So formula is OH, so OH will get attached to it, and what will become? It will become ethanol. OL is a pronounced suffix, so OL will be added, OH will be added over there and will become ethanol. So this how you supposed to make. I have given you the homework. Till date I haven't got that thing. You have to prepare a number of elements by using that thing. Okay. Now the first member of alkene, it will start not from one carbon compound, it will start from second carbon compound. First member of alkene will start from two carbon compound and gradually it will increase, means one carbon compound is less. Now coming to alkyne, again see to it, alkyne, alkyne, yne is a suffix, it represents triple bond. Always keep this in mind, it represent triple bond. So triple ethyne triple bond. So eth means two carbon, ion means triple bond, and hydrogen are attached. Now how we will identify the number of hydrogen into this? So the formula, general formula for alkyne yne group is CN, note down, CN H2n minus 2. Whatever the number of carbon will be there, you have to multiply it by 2 and minus 2, then you will get the number of hydrogen. So what is the general formula for it is CnH2n minus 2. Now here also you will find that there is the difference of CH2 between ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane, hexane, all alkyne group. There is a difference between C2. So they are also a homologous series. Okay. In this first member of alkyne, it is also going to start with the 2 because triple bond cannot be used in a single carbon. Neither double bond is also cannot be used in a single carbon. So that's why both the series starts from the 2 carbon compound and carries on the same level. Okay. Now the point or thing which you supposed to do is you have to use these alkane, alkene and alkyne to make formulas by using functional group to it. At least every student has to make a 10 formula using functional group according to their will. Then when there will be a Zoom class, then I will let you know how it is done in a better way. I know that you have all known it very well, you are a good student, you will be doing great, but I will let you know how to do it much easier and better way. Meanwhile, you have to do this. Before winding up the class, I am repeating it. The general formula for alkane, ANE, is CnH2n plus 2. Again, alkane के लिए क्या है general formula? CnH2n plus 2. For alkene, it is CnH2n. Again, I am repeating. For alkene, it is CnH2n, and for last alkyne, it is CnH2n minus 2. Again, it is CnH2n minus 2. These are the general formulas of alkene, and alkyne, and homologous series can be in ascending form or can be in a descending form, but the difference between them should be of CH2. Okay, I hope it is very much clear to everyone. Do prepare the notes and do prepare the 10 formulas for it. Thank you very much.